Okay, so you're going to break that in half. When it comes out of the fridge, it's going to be pretty hard. Yep. Oh, pretty crumbly, so you're going to roll it into balls. And they're going to be about 1.5 tablespoons big, so it's kind of hard to measure that. Obviously, we preheated the oven to 350. That's too, actually, that's too big, bud.
That's too big? Okay.
Yeah. That could probably make like 2. Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Yep, perfect. So you guys are going to leave them in balls like that. And after you cook them, they are going to come out just when they're a little bit brown on the edges. You don't want to overcook them because they're going to be super soft and puffy when they come out. If you think they're too puffy, you can put a spoon on top of them to deflate them a little bit, but it keeps them soft. The cornstarch is the key in this recipe. Yep, that's good size.
Okay.
You're going to place them about that much apart.
Oh, cool.
Because they stay puffy. Okay, and then after you... this was going to make probably a couple dozen. Let me see what the yield is. Okay, so the yield on this is 2 dozen. And they're going to cook for 10 to 11 minutes. And then you need to cool them for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet. And then put them on a cooling rack to completely cool them. All right, enjoy them.